Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about service encounter. Before knowing the meaning of encounter, you should first know the meaning of service. Now what do you mean by service? Service is basically intangible. It is an experience which is received by the customer. It is a kind of satisfaction received by the customer. In the service, there are two parties. Basically, service provider and the customer. Service provider is the one who is providing service to the customer, and customer is the one who is actually receiving service from the service provider. Take for example doctor and a patient. In the case of doctor and patient, doctor is service provider. He provides services to the patient. Patient is called as customer. Now what exactly service encounter mean? Service encounter is a period of time during which consumer interact directly with the service. It is also called as moment of truth. So it is that time or it is that period during which actual delivery of service takes place, and that period or that moment is called as service encounter. It is also called as moment of truth. It is transaction interaction in which one person provides service to another. As I said, one person here means service provider and to another means customer. Take for example in the case of educational institution. Teachers are service provider and students are customer. When teacher delivers lectures to the student, it is called as moment of truth. It is called as service encounter. Let us see the example of service encounter. On one side you can see student and on the other side you can see staff. Students, they are the customers, and staff means teacher. They are the service provider. Students may have different attitudes, values, belief, wants, need, feelings and expectation. When these expectations, attitude, values, belief, wants are met by the teacher, it is called as moment of truth. When both comes together, that moment is called as service encounter. There are three types of service encounter. First one is remote encounter, telephone encounter, and third one is face-to-face encounter. Now let us discuss about remote encounter. Remote encounter, here there is no direct contact between service provider and the customer. Here customer receives service but without physical appearance of the service provider. Take for example email, vending machine and ATM machine. Customer gets the service, but here there is no interaction of a physical person. It is called as remote encounter. In first example you can see email. Here the person is sending the email by sitting at one point, but another person is accepting his mail by sitting at another place. So that is called as remote encounter. Here service delivery takes place, but there is no physical interaction between both the parties. Second one is vending machine. Now what is vending machine? You can insert a coin and you can get a product. So here the person is receiving service but without interaction of the actual manufacturer. Third one is ATM machine. Here person insert a card, he will get the money, but there is no physical interaction between the banker and the customer. Entire work is done by the ATM machine. So this is called as a remote encounter. You can also take example of online classes. In online classes, teacher is delivering a lecture or a lecturer is providing you the lecture and you are receiving lecture sitting at your home. There is no interaction between you and the teacher. So that is called as remote encounter. Second one we can see phone encounter. Phone encounter is done over a phone. Although just like a remote encounter, here there is no interaction between service provider and the customer. But here interaction takes place with the help of wireless network or with the help of phone. That is called as phone encounter. Third one is face-to-face encounter. Under face-to-face encounter, there is direct contact between customer and the service provider. Here customer and service provider, they come in direct contact and actual delivery of service takes place, and that is called as service encounter. Thank you.